This is Voyager's diesel engine. It's a 3YM30 engine. It's a 2-cylinder engine. It's diesel and it has a sail drive unit at the back. Everything's quite easily accessible. Dipstick is here for checking your oil levels. You've got your water filter at the back, and you've got your coolant tub at the back as well. All these will be topped up before you leave. This is your raw water pump, just in case of any emergencies. If something goes wrong with the water intake, you can take that out and check the impeller. There are spare impellers with the spares. This is Voyager's control panel here. On the left side here we have the 230 volt supply equipment, so your water heater, your battery charger and your AC supply. On here we have the 12 volt system, so that's cabin lights, fridge units, bilge pumps, that sort of thing. And you've got your instrument panel switch here and your deck lights are on these switches here. On this panel here you can see its readout, so at the moment it's a reading telling you about the batteries. So this is the battery section. You press this button once, again, so it gives you domestic. Press it again, it will go to engine, it gives you a voltage readout. Around about 13.4, 13.2 is pretty good for a boat that's not under shore power. You press the button at the top here, which is water. It's got 2 tanks on board, so it's got tank 1 and tank 2. It will give you a reading on both. And the last button is fuel, so if you press this it will give you a readout on here as to the level of fuel. Behind me is the VHF, so it's a GMDSS DSC set, and it's a Raymarine E55. And to turn it on, it's a simple turn of the dial. It'll go on to a channel that was selected previously, but channel 16, so you press the channel 16 button, it'll take you straight to that channel. And to change channels manually, turn the big dial, there's a squelch manual adjustment here, and your DSC menu button is here. To return to channel 16, press the channel 16 button. This can all be mimicked through the fist swipe, so you've got your channel select, your 16 button, and your PTT button. Last but not least, there's the FM radio, so there's a fusion radio here. It has got a USB plug-in as well under that section there.